is our winner.
It went like that then.
Almost. Oh, so many Hot Wheels. Are these the ones that are actually working on this track?
Well, this one's not actually a Hot Wheel.
All right, then put it aside. It's not a big deal if that one's not a Hot Wheel.
Yes.
Everybody else is.
Yeah.
So what do we have here? Where did you set up?
So these are the ones that were working on the track, and these are the ones.
Let's see the ones that are going to work on the track.
These.
It looks like they're, count them. How many is there? Count them out loud so we hear them. Can you count them out loud? Let's just hear them.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay, give us one more to have 10 so that we can use on the track. Pick any of these.
This one.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Nice. Okay, let's put it down with the rest of them here. And now it's time to show off this track. Starts up high at the door, all the way down, through there, through the loop. Check that out, guys. And into this jump. And we have a slot number 1, slot number 2. I think if it jumps into 2, that's probably going to be the winning car because that's a bigger jump from here to there and then from here to here. But we'll see if any of these even make it. So check out the track, guys.
Oh, guess what?
What?
This car, it went like this, and it jumped
Okay, we're gonna see.
over.
We're gonna see if it does that again. That's pretty exciting. Let's see. So we down for last then. And let's try this out. So go ahead. You can stand up and can you please show us the first car? Wow.
Bring this to school.
Okay, let's see if that's gonna make it. Whoa, we'll give it 2 tries. Do it again, one more time. Oh, didn't make it. Alright. That one did not make it. Put it with the other pile. Alright, next one. Show us the car. Let's see what we got. Let's see it, let's see it, let's see it. Come closer, come closer. Oh.
So I made it first try.
Okay, let's see. What? Number 2?
2.
Are you kidding me? You gotta see this one more time. This cannot happen again. Go again. This car is pretty cool and fast. Okay, go do it. Is that a Hot Wheel car?
Oh no,
No?
it's the other thing.
Which one is it?
Enter first.
Fast lane. Fast lane. Wow. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see if it'll. I just want to see this jump. Oh, don't tell me it's not gonna make it again now. Try it again. Try it again. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. What? Last try. If not, we'll just put in 2 because it actually did it. What? You put it in 2. It made it in the first try, but we didn't catch it on film. Kinda did. Anyways, next one. Let's see the next car. It doesn't matter. Just pick any. We're gonna do all of them anyways. Let's see what you got. Ooh. Okay, go. We're giving all the cars just 1 try at it now.
What?
Oh, we saw that. Number 1 slot. That's not bad. Okay, next one.
Not bad.
Pretty good. That one did it really well. That's a
This is the
Mustang?
new one.
Is that a Mustang? What is
Challenger.
it? Let me see.
It's a Challenger.
Challenger. Oh.
Yeah, this is the new Challenger.
Okay. Oh! Give it another try. One more try. That's all he gets. Nope. Didn't make it. Didn't make it. Leave it there. Next one. Come show it to us. We gotta see which one it is. Is that the Mercedes ML or AMG? Yes, yes, it is. Okay. Okay, one more time. Give it one more time. Nope. Next one. Just leave it there, it's fine. Next one. What do you got? Wow, purple one. Okay.
This one made it first time.
All right, well, we're gonna see what if you're right. Nope.
Last time.
One more time, 2 tries, and that's it. Oh! Okay, next one. Number 1.
Landed.
So far, this guy's a winner, and it's not even a Hot Wheels car. Are you kidding me? Okay, go next. Right, get the next car. Let's go. Let's go do this. Which one is it?
This one.
Okay, let's do this. No way.
Come on.
Last try. Nope, next car. Let's go. How many you got left there? Come on. What do we got here? Police car.
Challenger.
Whoa. Okay.
Challenger.
Police Challenger. Let's do this.
This is not even Hot Wheels.
Let's do this. See if it'll make it. Nope. Next one.
What?
Next one. That's the rule now. If it falls off the track, there's no retries. Let's go again. Show us the car. We need to see it. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, next one. Let's go. Oh, okay, it didn't fall. Okay, it fell off on the way back. It's fine. Give it another try. Nope. Next car. 2 left. Show it to us.
Batman.
Batman car. All right, black one.
So
Okay.
it's not even Hot Wheels either.
Oh. Nope. And the last car. What do you got? Show it to us. The very last car. Let's see if it'll make it. The Golden Goose.
This is the one that went all the way over.
That's what you say. Well, let's see. When you tested it, that's what you say. Let's see. We're gonna catch it now on film, if that's the case. Oh, not bad. Second slot. Okay, so now
This one can
is the final battle. These two, because they flew the highest, these two are the runners up. So this one and this one are receiving slot number 3 and 4. We are going to see which one's going to be number 1 or 2, and it's actually a battle between Hot Wheels and Fastlane car. Let's go, grab them both. Which one are you doing first?
This one.
Fastlane, let's go. And they only get 1 try each. Oh, Fastlane flew off. It didn't make it. Hot Wheels car's next, the golden one. Oh, same thing. Okay, redo. Redo with both of them. Fastlane first again. Okay, fell off. Hot Wheels. Same thing. All right, something's going on with the track. Let's try it again. Let's try to fix. Wait. Maybe there's a little bit of a. It's too loose. Let's see if we can fix that. Okay, I did that. Let's go again. Fastlane fell off. Hot Wheels. Oh! Whoa! What? It flew over like you said? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, and I did it backwards. It went backwards.
Hot Wheels. This Hot Wheels car is the winner. We're gonna try to recreate this jump again. Go again. I want to get this on film in the back here, because that was pretty gnarly. Whoa! Two. Pretty good. Let's see if we can fly it over. If not, one more time. Grab it. I want to see if we can catch it flying over. Oh! Another one.
2 again.
Okay, last try for the video. Guys, click like if you think it's gonna fly over. Oh, not this time. One more time. Whoa, not bad. This is our
It
winner.
went like that. Then
Almost. That's our winning car. If you guys like this video, click like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one where we'll build some more crazy Hot Wheel tracks. Okay, bye.